We'll guide you through how to run Ollama in Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that your Docker desktop application is actively running in the background. Open a PowerShell window to begin entering your commands. Create a safe place to store your models by executing a command to create a Docker volume named 𝗟𝗪_storage. Now, begin writing your main instruction by starting the command to run a container quietly in detached mode. Set the name for this container to 𝗟𝗪-server so it is recognizable. Next, mount the storage volume by linking your new 𝗟𝗪_storage volume directly to the internal root .ollama directory. After that, map the network port by linking port 11434 on your local machine to that exact same internal port. Finish building your command by specifying that you want to use the official latest Ollama image. Your complete command will cleanly combine the detached run instruction, the container name, the volume mount, the port mapping, and the image name into one single line. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to execute this command and start up the container. Verify that the container is actively running by typing the standard Docker process status command. With the server running, download and run a model by executing an interactive command inside your 𝗟𝗪-server container to run the Llama 3.2 model. You can start chatting directly with the AI model inside your terminal. When you are done exploring, simply type /by to exit the active chat session. You can run another model at any time using that same interactive execution command targeting the 𝗟𝗪-server, replacing the end with your preferred model name. View your downloaded models by using an interactive command to list the models inside the container. Finally, access the Ollama interface by pointing your browser to http://localhost:1143